Madeleines are small French cakes with shell-like shapes. Madeleine pans are baking pans designed for making madeleines. A Madeleine pan is flat and has a series of shell-shaped dents on it to give the cake its traditional shape. It is similar to a muffin pan except for its distinct shell-like shape. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best Madeleine pans in 2023. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 1. Bellemain 12-Cup Non-Stick Madeleine Pan. Perella's Bellemain 12-Cup Non-Stick Madeleine Pan is made from heavy-duty carbon steel. The carbon steel helps in conducting heat quickly and evenly. Unlike the aluminum pans, the carbon steel has better durability, and it is more resistant to dents and distortions when you hit them on the counter. The pan is also made with modern non-stick technology to help you get the cookies out of the dents without difficulty. Number 2. Chicago Metallic Madeleine Non-Stick Rectangle Pan. Chicago Metallic puts as much care into the manufacture of its pans for home baking as it does for its commercial bakeware lines. This sturdy, well-designed Madeleine pan with a total of 12 molds is a workhorse. Measuring 15.75 by 7.75 inches and weighing a little under a pound, the pan comes with a silicone-based non-stick surface. The durable carbon steel allows for superior heat conduction and even baking, and it's oven-safe to 450 F. While it's dishwasher-safe, Chicago Metallic recommends hand washing. Number 3. OAMCEG Madeleine Pans. Unlike the wide-brimmed and flat-surfaced pans like the crepe pan and the springform pan, the 2-pack OAMCEG non-stick Madeleine pan has 12 shell-shaped molds to give a defined integral shape and seamless welding. The heavy construction of the pan makes it durable for long-term use. It has a high-quality non-stick coating to ensure the madeleines do not stick to the bottom. Number 4. USA Pan Bakeware Madeleine. USA Pan Bakeware is perfect for flavorful French madeleines. This pan is good at holding heat to distribute it evenly throughout the cooking surface to serve you with great taste. USA Pans is a trusted family company that has produced high-quality bakeware for over 50 years. The patented natural silicone coating allows you to remove baked goods from the pan effortlessly. USA Pan Bakeware allows everyday home bakers to produce professional-grade madeleines without an expert's help. Number 5. Webake Non-Stick Madeleine Pans. The Webake Madeleine's pan comprises high-quality carbon steel with excellent heat conductance. This pan is kept heavier to cook evenly. A bit of broad shell-like templates are good for cooking a variety of mini cakes, and the provided space is enough to put 2 or more colored doughs for a better appearance. High-end carbon steel has proven to be more durable than aluminum and can survive harsh conditions without acquiring dents or distortions. So, your Webake Madeleine pan will stay with you for decades without losing its structural properties. The golden-colored finish is excellent to impart. That was our list of the top 5 best Madeleine pans just for you.